Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to remove Facebook
your Instagram
page
account
link from Instagram
Meta
profile.
Business Suite.
So if you want
Okay, so the
people
first thing
find
that you need
out
to do
your
is, of course, you'll
Facebook
have to
page
download the
from your
Business
Instagram
Meta
account,
application
so just follow
and then
along.
open it after you download it. Okay, and then click on the tools at the bottom right corner of your screen. So as you can see, your Instagram and your Meta Business Suite is connected, so you'll have to disconnect the two. Just click on Tools, okay, and then click on Settings. Now you can see your Instagram here from the list of the options, so you just have to click on it and then click on Disconnect. So just read all of the information here. You have access to manage the trending random clips Facebook page, so you also have access to manage the Gregory Instagram account. So now you just have to disconnect the account. Okay, so you just have to read everything before doing this action. So that's it. Now your account disconnected successfully. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.